What's up everybody, Teancum here with Sew Yeah Quilting. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you make a design board. What's up everybody, Teancum here with Sew Yeah Quilting. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you make an amazing design board only using 4 products. Let's get started. So why do we need design boards? Design boards allow us to put our blocks up on a wall instead of on the floor, and it just makes things a little bit easier when you're trying to lay out your quilt, how it's going to look in the end. It's just an all-around easier way to design your quilts. Now, what we need with this project is, I like to use 505 spray. We need a staple gun. This is just one of the cheapo ones from Home Depot. This is batting big enough to cover my design board. This is a foam core board used for installation across America. You can buy it at Lowe's, Home Depot, any of those kinds of places. And it comes in small pieces, it comes in giant pieces. Smallest is like 2 foot by 2 foot. This right here is the 4x8 sheet, which is the largest that they make. So, how do we get started? First, you're gonna start off with your spray and your batting. We're gonna move the gun out of the way. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lay out our batting, double check that you have enough batting before you get started. So let's pull this guy out, open him up, and when in doubt, just buy a little extra batting, guys. It really is worth it. It's not like we're not gonna use it for one of our other projects or anything like that. So, I'm gonna pull this out. So, double check my batting, it does fit. Now, this kind of foam board has a print side and a shiny side. You want shiny side up because if you leave print side up, then you can see the print through the batting. So you don't want that. Now, grab your spray, flip this up like so. You're gonna put a healthy amount of spray down. Healthy amount of spray here. And then you're gonna fold it on over the top. And because we're using 505, it's temporary spray. It likes to stick, obviously, that's what it's for. But it's not bad enough that you can't unstick it. And it gives you plenty of time before the glue dries. Now, once you know that you like it, and this is kind of what you want, time to grab an iron, and you're gonna iron all this. And you don't want to spend too much time ironing because you can melt the styrofoam underneath. The absolute key to success on this project is actually ironing a little bit. So now we're gonna pull this up this way. And you're gonna get it to where you hear it pulling off the stick. You guys hear it? So 505 spray, we're gonna cover the rest of this in a very healthy amount of spray. Give it a little meander, you know. Long arming, right? You should be a graffiti artist. Oh, I broke the meander. Healthy amount, right? Make sure it's a healthy amount. This is what's going to prevent your batting from sagging just in a couple of days. This won't sag for a while now. If you have a partner that can help you, like, you know, flip this back up the other direction, like a cameraman, Joe. Thank you, Zach, there. Now that we have this on, grab your iron, and you're going to start ironing all the way down. Now, if you start getting wrinkles, pull them out. Have a quilting friend help you. And you're gonna iron this whole thing. Now it's really, really, really important that you're ironing this. So guys, like I said, grab a quilting friend, help them lay it down if it's a big piece like this, or just take your time with it, go slow, go bit by bit, putting on the spray and laying it down. Now, once you have it ironed and it's how you like it and it's good, we're going to just peel up this end a little bit, just a little bit, and we're going to spray a nice healthy spray on the ends here. And that way when we fold them over, it gives us a nice crisp angle. So I'm going to do that. But you don't want to spray the corners while you do your first spray. The reason being is then there's no way for the material to go. You're kind of making sure it doesn't get out. So you want to just make sure it's at the end that you're doing the corners. Okay, now that we have this stuck, this is now golden, guys, that it's flat, there's no puckers, everything's stuck to the edges. Now, what most people do, they're gonna take that gun and they're gonna just staple to the side. We don't wanna do that. We wanna staple to the back of this. Since this is foam, when you staple, the foam is going to kind of compress a little bit, so you never have to worry about the staples scratching anything or anything like that. So let's do a flip-a-rooney here. Ta-da! Again, this is the side that we don't want to put it on because then it looks bad. So you're gonna flip this up. Ooh. You're gonna flip this up. You're gonna pull on it nice and neat here. Need a little bit oomph to it. And you really want to put in every couple of inches, maybe 4 inches, 5 inches maybe. So guys, on the corner here, you just want to push up right here on the end and then fold the whole thing up and over. Really put down some staples into them. Now that we've got this all stapled up, if you want to cut down the batting on the back, you absolutely can. It is not needed by any means for this project. And it's a pretty simple project. It makes it easy, amazing design board. So let me show you how this works. And just one extra thing here. Some people are gonna say, Teancum, how are you gonna mount this to the wall? I personally just lean mine up against the wall. I've never actually mounted any of ours that we've used here in the store because it makes them portable. If you need to move it here or there, it makes it super simple. However, the best ways to mount these, in my opinion, is if you get little teeny L brackets from Lowe's or Home Depot and all that, all you have to do is push one of the sides into here. So you just take the bracket, you push it in, and then you screw it directly to the wall, and you don't ever have to worry about it falling forward. But it doesn't weigh 10 pounds. So it's very, very easy, very lightweight. So guys, that's how you make a design board here. And this is designed for us, a big board. That way you can fill out our studio spaces here. But it is so nice to have one. That way you can throw up your quilt blocks, give it a nice push there, and you can design your quilts, hence design board, and see what they look like before you piece them. Now, a couple of things here that our design board does is that since this is a foam core, you can actually put a pin in it too. So if you're putting something heavier up there, then you can absolutely pin it. One of the quilts that we're getting ready for the store, this is a smaller size quilt, but it's this easy. You can put it up, give it a nice, and it just stays. That's the reason why you have to have design boards. They're amazing, amazing things to have in your studio or in your own home. One of the biggest reasons why I'm so excited about this is because it's personal for us and it fits our space perfectly, but it will also allow us to show you guys the step outs on a design board, which will help our tutorials and just our videos in general be a little bit better. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know down in the comment section below if this helped you with your new design board in your studio, or if there's any upgrades you guys would recommend. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one.